guys, it's Mayel. Today we're doing the blindfolded slime challenge and I'm here with my best friend, Navleen.
Hi guys, it's me. I'm an amazing person.
So go check out her channel. The link will be in the description and the iCard.
And subscribe to her because she's an amazing person.
Thank you. So today we're doing the blindfolded slime challenge. So we have all of our ingredients in front of us and then we're going to have our siblings mix it up and then we'll start.
Let's get on into the video.
So we're going to put on our blindfolds on and you have to trust us.
Yeah, we have blindfolds. Mine has unicorns. It's handmade.
Mine's simple.
I can't see anything.
Okay, now you can mix it up. So we're first doing the cream cheese slime.
So we have cornstarch in containers so they don't go everywhere.
Where's the glue? On my side.
What? I feel it.
This is your bottle, right? I mean,
wait, which one's our bowl? Wait, this one's
mine.
yours. This one's mine.
Okay,
Hopefully we don't mix it up.
Wait, let me. Where is the corn? Navleen! You put the glue on my hand.
I did?
Yes. I'm gonna put the glue.
I'm scared. Oh, it went in. Okay. I think that's enough.
I'm gonna put the whole bottle.
I don't know how much I'm putting in.
Just put the whole thing. It's okay.
I'm just gonna use my hand.
See, wait. I don't want to grab all of it. Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. Oh!
I did. It's on your side.
It's on my side?
Yeah. It's
I need more cornstarch.
colors. Oh, let's make. I want to scent them. I found them.
Is? I'm hoping I get blue.
No, I want.
Like the teal one. I'm getting paint. I know this is paint.
Sabotage. Oh, we forgot to say that sabotages are allowed.
Oh yeah, sabotages are allowed, by the way. I'm hoping this is blue.
I don't know
What are you doing?
What are you doing? I think you put color. Did you put?
No, I didn't. My stuff, okay? I think mine needs more glue. I feel like. What are you doing? I feel like you did something to me.
I don't know if there's color in it. I don't know.
No, I feel like I put too much glue.
Where's
I
my
mean,
spoon?
cornstarch.
Okay, I found my spoon.
What is this?
I'm putting
This.
Am I even putting in any lotion?
This sounds like. What is this?
I don't know what I just.
This sounds like glue.
I want to see it.
I don't think
Wait.
this is activator.
Oh,
Wait.
I forgot. Where is my act?
Oh no. The bottles are exactly the same.
I know. That's it.
It feels more watery. I did?
You put it on my hand. You put.
Nah, you have glue
Oh,
on your
it's
shirt.
moisturizer.
You have glue on your shirt.
Oh,
I
it's
do?
moisturizer.
Yeah.
Okay, good. I thought it was glue. Hey, do you have an activator?
There's two.
But I can't find it.
No. I'm giving you activator.
Blaine's house.
Oh yeah. We're at my house.
Oh,
I
sorry.
The activator.
what just fell? This is bad.
Your guys' colors look like food.
Mine is slowly coming together.
Mine came together, but let's just not talk about it. I feel bad for the floor now.
Oh no, I overactivated this thing. I'm taking taking it out. Oh, it's just now it's full.
No. Why would I give you glitter?
Because you know I love glitter.
Sure. I
I'm just.
Are they?
put them in your bowl and then like.
I admit.
What else can I say?
I think only Nav has to change her clothes after this.
You added cornstarch.
I did?
Yes, you did.
Right, guys?
You never did. No, you did.
It's done. Yelling 3, 2, 1. Ew, mine is.
Wait, the color's actually not bad. It looks like
I made you your
I said
orange
breakfast
slime.
because it looks like pancake batter.
Yeah. Yours looks like Tide Pods. I wanted it to look like Tide Pods.
Yeah.
Wait, I thought, how did I get orange?
It worked! And so this is my slime.
This is my slime.
We have a horrible mess. I'm covered in cornstarch. And the table. Here is the slime. The video was filmed on August 13th and it's September 21st, so time has passed by. The slime is not as stretchy as it was before. It was really pokeable, but I feel like it was an amazing cream cheese slime. It has a, I guess, vanilla caramelly color. The slime doesn't have the most amazing ASMR other than the bubble pops, and it does serve a really nice swirl. It does have dog hairs in here for some reason. I think it's because my sister dropped it. And really, that's all to the slime. It's not the best. I wish it was how it was before. As you can see, there's a random glitter, but it still is great for bubble pops and stretching and swirls.
So here is how my slime turned out. We called this slime Tide Pod slime because it's orange and then the blue foam beads just make it look like a Tide Pod. So it's a really thick cream cheese slime, and I really love the texture of this slime because I love some thick slimes. So that is it for this collab video. It was super fun to film, and make sure you check out the video that we did over on Navleen's channel. We did the 60-second slime challenge, and that was also super duper fun. And go check out her channel. I'll leave the link to it in the description box below. She has amazing content, and if you are looking for some good slime videos, then go binge watch all of her videos that are on her channel. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. So stay tuned for more fun content, everyone. Bye!